So now I have gathered some questions from your Mismatch fans.
Okay.
And I'm going to get the bowl.
Yes, I saw your Instagram post this morning.
Yeah. So
Should we start with Lauren?
Yeah, we can start. Okay. So there are generic questions also, which all of you can answer, and then there are some specific questions.
Okay,
Okay.
fine. You have to read the question.
If Anmol and Rishi were romantically involved,
What's going on?
Bro, I'm
I
telling
didn't
you,
ask
people
this,
are
huh?
thinking this. Huh?
maine nahi pucha. What's the cutest thing they would do for each other?
Oh.
I would buy you 200 flowers minimum.
I'd help you walk. Bye.
Don't
Love
edit
you.
this. Don't edit this. It's great.
Yeah, it's why not? I think it's the most romantic thing ever. No? Walk.
Okay, let's put it this way. Like Rishi made a whole Betterverse so that he could talk to
Yeah.
Dimple. He would make a suit, which Anmol is trying to make in season 3.
Yeah.
The haptic suit,
So you're saying
which
that
would help him walk.
Anmol can't do it.
He will help you now. I'm helping your situation here. First of all, I don't know why I'm bringing this situation.
Firstly,
No,
one
I'm trying to
second.
make
This
this
was supposed to be a
relationship
joke that has been overstretched.
Okay, never mind. We'll move on. Come.
Next question.
I'll get you the flower.
I'll help
Make
you
the
walk.
suit.
Do you have insights for writers looking to create relatable and engaging characters? Faisal Khan has asked.
This is for Prajakta.
Oh,
Me?
Do you
I
have?
didn't understand.
Do you have insights
Insights.
for writers looking to... Oh, like
because
if you
you're
are a
writing-
writer.
writing a book
Ah,
now.
Oh, yes.
Iski book aa rahi.
To create.
Oh, right.
Thanks, yaar. 5th December it goes on pre-order, please. Don't
Yes.
forget.
It's so good, it's too good
Thank
to
you.
be true.
It's too good to be true. Thank you. Looking to create relatable and engaging characters. I really think one of my favorite things about making or writing new characters is trying to find what's extremely ordinary about them. You know, usually you try when you're trying to write, you try to look for like a quirk, or you try to look for something कि अच्छा ये उसका है ना, उसके वजह से सब उसको याद रखते हैं. I find beauty in kind of finding things that are extremely ordinary and then building on that. So maybe that helps.
Prajakta, Lauren, Ehsas. Have you all been approached by this? Have you all ever been approached by the same sex?
Yeah.
She hopes.
Yeah, enough said.
unfortunately, never.
That's a lie.
I swear,
Not possible.
I swear, and I really want to. I'm waiting for that to happen.
What are you doing
It's
after
never,
this?
Hey, yes.
Oh, you just got approached.
Thank you. Yeah, but
How are you doing?
Good, thanks. Now I just
Lauren is ensuring that you have an answer to give.
You haven't.
I haven't.
Come on,
done
brother.
that.
No way.
Really?
It's
Wow. Oh.
Never way.
There was this one time I was really like I think I was 21. I was hosting
Didn't it happen in front of us?
us.
Yeah.
When?
No, never mind.
Did it?
Sorry, never mind.
No, I didn't remember this.
Okay, cool. Wait.
Okay, everyone's curious now.
But no, there was this
No, but we
one
know.
time. Also, maybe I don't know. There was this one time I met this girl at a concert I was hosting in Mumbai, and she was very sweet. And I'd met her for the first time, and she was like, "Listen, do you want to come hang with me at my place?" And I was like, "Sure, yes." And then Sudeep held me back. Sudeep was like, "No, don't go." So I'm guessing yes. Then that one time.
Like, बहुत time I think पता ही नहीं चलता
हाँ,
कि are they
वो भी
asking
हो
out or
सकता
what
है,
are they
That
doing?
screams Prajakta though. Sure, yes, let's go, man.
हाँ, चलो.
Come, what do you want to do?
What's the most ordinary thing about you?
इस बार कॉफी वाले सीन्स के कितने रीटेक हुए?
Hey, we haven't shared that video.
We haven't.
We must.
Two
हाँ.
times.
Oh wow.
But इस
Yeah.
बार ऐसा है ना कि हम दोनों एक दूसरे पे फेंक रहे थे. But in the scene, if you see, freeze frame हो जाता है, and it never really hits
हाँ.
anybody. But obviously in real life तो हम एक दूसरे पे every time. क्या हुआ? Every time दो ही बार. नहीं,
दो
दो
बार.
से ज़्यादा हुआ.
नहीं, दो बार.
अच्छा. तो दोनों बार Rohit had to go change quickly and come back because I was just better.
I
at
just
throwing
had such
coffee.
bad luck and a
Aim.
worse aim.
Yes.
I was just getting to that. It's so sad that the last 2 seasons I've had the opportunity to take Badla of season 1. कि 7 retake लिए थे. इस बार मेरे पास really I had the option of doubling it and making it 14.
But
I
just
just
two.
I just
Season
couldn't.
2 is drop
You guys
coffee on
got
himself.
better at
We-
pouring, throwing coffee at each other.
She
I'm
knows.
great.
से दो हो
She's
गया.
been great
I'm great.
consistently.
She's like a sharpshooter straight in the nostrils. Like
He's
She
terrible.
goes for the brain, not for the face.
it should inside it should hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But no, not many.
We will take last.
What's brewing between Selena and Krish?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
A lot
I'm
more
glad
than
this
coffee.
question came up.
What is Abhinav?
I've been given a disclaimer to say कि तीसरे एपिसोड के बाद का कुछ मत बताओ.
अच्छा ये बता दिया कि तीसरे में पता चल जाएगा.
नहीं, I think I actually remember when we were promoting season 2, I think they asked you who you'd like to see get together, and he said Selena and Krish. I'm not saying इसकी वजह से हुआ है, but I do feel like
I manifested it, bro.
when two really interesting characters come together,
Yeah.
whatever you can imagine
I
will
think two
happen.
alpha characters.
Two
come
alpha
together.
Yeah.
just coming together, whatever you think will happen will, and more.
Yeah.
And
That's a good
then
answer.
and then they will come and
Yes.
do their own thing. But it's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
It's
It's
gonna
gonna
be
be
fun.
interesting.
It's gonna be
and
fun.
damn
Yeah.
sure interesting. Really looking forward.
I love that I've got this question.
Hmm.
What happens to Harsh and Simran?
Ah,
Well,
They're in the Maldives.
Together.
You'll see. You're gonna have to be patient.
that's so messed up.
Yeah.
He answered it. I think they're in the
no,
Maldives.
but you said I'm glad the question came to me, so I'm
I
sure
said
you
it's
had
so
an answer.
ironic that it's come to me. यार हर्ष चला गया
So you're happy.
म्यूजिक एक्सप्लोर करने, सिमरन चली गई सोशल मीडिया एक्सप्लोर करने.
He's in Berkeley. She's killing it on Instagram.
And you guys are killing it. NNIT,
LLIT.
Nice. It took us also like a couple of
NIT Long Island.
Very nice. Very nice.
Okay. So because the show's name is Mismatched, I have a combination of a few things और आपको बताना है कि वो match है या mismatch है और क्यों. Like
Okay.
whatever you guys feel. So early bird and a night owl. Do you think it's a match or a mismatch?
मैच सुबह मिल लेंगे ना.
So, 4 से
एक जा
6
रहा
के
होगा,
बीच
एक
में
वापस
मिल
आ रहा होगा.
लेंगे.
True.
Match.
Match. एक को AC का टेम्परेचर ऑलवेज ऑन 16 चाहिए और एक को ऑलवेज ऑन 25 चाहिए. Mismatch.
ये
This
तो
never works.
ये
This
तो
never
मिलेगा ही
नहीं
नहीं.
होगा.
बहुत
मिलेगा ही
painful.
It's not possible.
जब तक इसका अगर
Are
इग्नू
you
नहीं बनता
16 or
है.
25?
16.
And if it was possible to go lower, he would.
Yeah.
And like no, it's true for me though. It's true for friends also. Like,
That's true.
Similar
Yeah,
to
yeah, yeah.
So who shares? I mean, do you guys have ever shared a room or anything during the shoot?
Room छोड़ो हम vanity नहीं share कर
Vanity
तो
पाते
इनके
हैं
साथ
यार.
कौन रह रहा था इग्लू में?
कोई
I've
मैं
also-
दरवाजा बंद करके दूसरी साइड जाके.
Yeah, I've
Bro, it's very
spent.
You have?
It's
Yeah,
hectic, yeah.
It's
Okay. Diet conscious and foodie. Is this combination a match or a mismatch?
Match. Can
Food
be.
is always
Why
a
not?
match.
Yeah. Match.
Whatever.
of any kind.
Yeah.
रेस्टोरेंट जाते वक्त थोड़ा होता होगा ना कि नहीं मैं डाइट फूड मंगा रहा हूँ, मैं पाव भाजी मंगा रहा हूँ.
हाँ, तो
वैसे
सब मंगाओ.
सब
साथ में
खाओ,
खाएंगे.
सब खाओ.
साथ में बैठ के खाओ.
Okay.
मैं सूंघ लूंगी.
पाव भाजी.
खाने को सूंघ
पाव
के
भाजी
ही
सूंघ रही.
खुश हो जाऊंगी.
पाव भाजी.
Okay. An emotionally unavailable person with an emotionally intelligent person.
Mismatch.
You're unavailable तो
It's
हो ही
the
नहीं सकता ना.
worst.
किसी से भी.
Introverted and a social butterfly.
Match.
Match.
Can be.
From experience.
Oh.
Just matlab.
Would you like to share, sir?
No, as in I've noticed this, I always thought that whether these energies, whether introversion and extroversion would clash, but that's not true because human beings fluctuate between these two only. So
That's
yeah.
true. Last one. Monochrome, colorful. Is it a match or mismatch? And yes, I hope this mismatch turns out to be the perfect match for everyone.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for talking to us.
क्या बात है गायत्री? Yes.